Yes. Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Dear Maths classes. My dear students, last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು sets chapter ಇಂದ from 2015 to 2025 ಇರುವ ಟೋಟಲ್ 10 years ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋತ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ in this section, the first question is, listen, if f of x is equals to 2x square, find f of 3.8 minus f of 4 by 3.8 minus 4. This question is from KCET 2015. Okay, KCET 2015 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, f of x is equals to 2x square. Clear? F of x is equals to 2x square. Find f of 3.8 minus f of 4. So first we need to find f of 3.8. Means in the place of x substitute 3.8. So 2 into 3.8 into 3.8 because x square is there. So simplify this, we get value 28.88. Okay, and same as find f of 4. So f of 4 means 2 into 4 into 4. So we get 4 4 the 16, 16 to the 32. Okay, now what is still remaining? No. Now find, substitute in this, f of 3.8 minus f of 4 by 3.8 minus 4 is equals to, okay, f of 3.8 means we get 28.88 minus f of 4 means we get 32 by 3.8 minus 4 means we get minus 0.2. Okay, here numerator also 28.88 minus 32 means we get minus 3.12 by minus 0.2. So minus minus cancel. Here we get 3.12 by 0.2 we get 15.6. Okay, 15.6 is the answer. This is 15.6. So this is a 15.6 is the answer. Clear? Next question. Yes. Here next question is, let function from real numbers to real number. Okay. F from R to R. F from R to R means from real numbers to real numbers is defined by f of x is equals to 1 by x. For all x is belongs to R. For all x is belongs to R means for all domain values are real numbers. Then find f is onto, not defined, 1 1 and bisector. Okay. So here the given function, this question is from KCET 2015 only. Okay. So now here the given function is f of x is equals to 1 by x. Okay. F of x is equals to 1 by x. So here we have to check 1 1 and on to bisector and not defined. First go to what is 1 1 function. 1 1 function means each input has a unique output. Okay, 1 1 function means what? Each input has a unique output. Means for A1, for B2, for C3. So this type of functions are called 1 1 function. Now what is onto function? Every element in set B, there is at least one pre-image in set A that maps it. Okay, so every element in set B, every element in set B. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. There A, B, C. This is set A and this set B. Okay, mapping means, so every element in set B, sorry, every element in set B. See, every element in set B. So in this set B, every element there is at least one pre-image. Yes, every element A, B, C is mapping with 1, 2, 3. Correct. So every element in set B, there is at least one pre-image in set A that maps it. This type of functions are called onto functions. Clear. Now bijective means if function f satisfied all the all the conditions, that is injective and surjective, means one function and onto function. So both the conditions are satisfied means that function is called bijective function. Clear? Now here the question is f of x is equals to 1 by x means, here observe, let you consider real numbers to real number. Consider real numbers to real number. Function is from real numbers to real number. Real numbers to real numbers means here we consider any numbers like integers, rational numbers. Okay. So for example, here root 2 or -1, -2, 0, 1, 2 or 1.5. Okay. Or any other numbers we consider means here function is 1 by x. Okay. 1 by x. So 1 by x means in the place of x substitute root 2, we get 1 by root 2. -1 substitute, we get -1. Okay. -2 is substitute, we get -1 by 2. 0 we substitute. Later we have to discuss about this 0, this fellow 0. And 1 by 1 we get 1. And 1 in the place of x substitute 2, we get 1 by 2. In the place of x substitute 1.5, we get 1 by 1.5. Correct. So here this condition, this function satisfies 1 1 function. Okay, this function satisfied 1 1 function. And observe, what about this 0? What about this 0? When in the place of x substitute 0, 1 by 0 we get not defined. Okay, not defined. So here in the question given f from R to R, but for x is equals to 0, the function is not defined. Also, we do not get any image for x is equals to 0 also. Is there any image? Is there any image in this? No image. Okay, we do not get any image for x is equals to 0. So here this function is not defined. Okay, this function is not defined. Clear? Now, next question. Yes, the third question is, if the operation plus symbol here, is the operation, this symbol is defined by a plus b. Let you consider here just plus. It is different one of the symbol. Here it is a one algebraic operation also. So here a symbol b is equals to a square plus b square. For the all real numbers a and b, then here two symbol plus symbol 3 of plus symbol 4 is equals to. What is the value of this? Yeah, this question is from same KCET 2015. So now simplify this. So we know a symbol b plus symbol b is equals to a square plus b square means. Okay. Let you consider 2, 3 also written as, simplify this. Okay, is substituting this. So 2 plus 3 is equals to, we get 2 square plus 3 square. 2 square plus 3 square means here we get 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 means 13. Okay, this value we get 13. And now 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 13 plus 4. So 13 plus 4 means this value we get 13 and plus 4. So 13 means 13 into 13. 13 square plus 4 square using this condition. So 13 square means 169 plus 4 square means 16. We get 185 is the answer. Clear? 185 is the answer. Yes. Next question. See, this question is from again same 2015 only. Function f from R to R is defined by f of x is equals to x by x square plus 1. Okay, the given function is f of x is equals to x by x square plus 1. So here we need to find f of f of f of 2. So f of 2 means first we need to find f of 2. F of 2 means in the place of x substitute, in the place of x substitute 2. So 2 by 2 square plus 1. So 2 by 2 square plus 1 means 2 by 2 square value is 4 plus 1 is equals to 2 by 5. This is what f of 2. Now we need to find f of 2 means f of 2 value we get 2 by 5. Okay. Now in the place of x substitute 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 by 2 by 5 whole square plus 1. So 2 by 5 by 2 by 5 whole square means 4 by 25 plus 1. So we get 2 by 5 by apply cross multiplication, we get 25 1 is 21, 4 1 is 4. So we get 29 by 25. So this denominator transformed into numerator, it becomes 2 by 5 reciprocal. 29 by 25 it becomes 25 by 29. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. Answer is 5 2 ja 10 by 29. What is the answer? 10 by 29 is the answer. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, 10 by 29. Now, next question, very easy question. Here, set A has 4 elements and set B has 5 elements. Then the number of injective mappings from A to B. So this is we know set A is equals to 4 elements. Set B is equals to 5 elements. This question is from KCET 2016. Okay, 2016 question. Set A is equals to 4 elements. Set B is equals to 5 elements. Then the number of injective mappings from A to B means. What is the formula for this? The number of injective mapping from A to B means what is the formula here? 5P4. Okay. So using the permutation computation here, 5P4. Okay. Permutation concept here, 5P4 also written as 5 factorial by 5 minus 4 factorial. Okay. N factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay. So 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 minus 1, 5 minus 4 factorial means 1 only. 1 1 cancel here. Remaining is 5 4 jam 20 23 jam 60 62 jam 120. What is the answer here? 120 is the answer. Okay. So this 5p4 is represents number of injectives. Okay. Injective mapping from A to B. Okay. Injective mapping from A to B. Clear? Next question. Yes. See, let the function f from real numbers to real numbers be defined by f of x is equals to 2x plus 6, which is bijective mapping. Okay. So question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ which is bijective mapping. ಇದು bijective mapping ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So bijective ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು one function and also onto function also. Okay. Bijective ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು one function satisfied ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and also onto function satisfied ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Given function is a bijective function. Then f inverse of x is. Okay. So this question is from KCET 2016. Just observe here concept. The inverse of a function exists when the function is when the inverse of a function is exist if and only if the function is bijective. When the function is bijective, the inverse of a function is exist. Bijective means what? It is both injective and surjective. Two condition satisfied model. Clear? So based upon this concept, here the given function f of x is equals to 2x plus 6 is satisfied bijective. It is a bijective function. It is a bijective function means f inverse is exist. Correct? It is a bijective function, so it is f inverse is exist. So f inverse is exist means here you observe this condition, subjective condition here. Okay, what is the condition? If for each y is belongs to y, there exists some x in x such that f of x is equals to y. What? F of x is equals to y. When if for each y is belongs to y, there exists some x is belongs to x. So here in this domain is real number, here range also real number. In the question given f from R to R. From y is belongs to R, there exists some x is belongs to R such that f of x is equals to y. So f of x is equals to y means what is f of x here? 2x plus 6. So 2x plus 6 is equals to y. Okay. Now this 2x is equals to y. This plus 6 transformation becomes minus 6. So x is equals to we get y minus 6 by 2. Okay. X is equals to y minus 6 by y minus 6 by 2. So this is what x value. Okay. But here we need to find f inverse. So f inverse means what? Here from this equation f of x is equals to y means f inverse of y is equals to x. Correct. F inverse of y is equals to x. So in the place of x, write f inverse of y. F inverse of y is equals to y minus 6 by 2. Okay. If in case f inverse of x means what? If in case in the place of y substitute x, if inverse of x means what? X minus 6 by 2. X minus 6 by 2. X minus 6 by 2 means x by 2 minus 2 1 ja 2 3 ja. So x by 2 minus 3 is the answer. What is the answer here? X by 2 minus 3 is the answer. Clear? So here in the question given f inverse of x. Okay. So if we find f inverse of x is equals to what? F inverse of x is equals to, in the place of y, x minus 6 by 2, x by 2 minus 3 is the answer. Clear? Now, next question. Let function from real numbers to real number is defined by f of x is equals to x to the power of 4. Then f is 1 1 but not onto. F is neither 1 1 nor onto. F is 1 1 and onto. F may be 1 1 and onto. Clear? So this question is from KCET 2017. So what is the given function here? F of x is equals to x to the power of 4 is given. So here the options are discussing about 1 1 and on to, neither 1 1 nor on to. Okay, 1 1 and on to, maybe 1 1 and on to. So here what is 1 1 and on to first? Okay, a function f from x to y is said to be injective, means 1 1 when for x comma x1 comma x2 is belongs to x, if f of x1 is equals to f of x1 is equals to f of x2, then x1 is equals to x2. Okay, what is 1 1 here? If f of x1 is equals to f of x2, then x1 is equals to x2. So this is 1 1. Okay, so now we have to check, and onto also we have to check here. Onto means a function f from x to y is said to be subject to if for every y is belongs to y, there exists some x in x such that f of x is equals to y. Previous problem only now discussion model. Same. Here the conditions. Clear. So here first 1 1 we have to check. What is 1 1 here? If f of x1 is equals to f of x2, okay, then x1 is equals to x2. Okay, so for these problems, let you consider, let x1 is equals to 1 and x2 is equals to minus 1 means, for example, x1 is equals to 1 and x is equals to minus 1 means f of 1 is equals to f of minus 1. Correct. F of 1 means we get 1 to the power of 4. F of minus 1 means minus 1 to the power of 4. So, okay, here we get 1 to the power of 4 means 1 only, minus 1 to the power of 4 also 1 only. Okay, so we get 1 is equals to 1. This condition is satisfied. But, but here x1 is not equals to x2. Why? 1 is not equals to minus 1. Okay, so this function f of x1 is equals to f of x2 is satisfied. But x1 is not equals to x2. So 1 is not equals to minus 1 means 1 1 is not satisfied. Okay, 1 1 not satisfied. 1 1 is not satisfied. So 1 1 not satisfied means which options here? F is 1 1 but not onto. Okay, so this is deleted. F is neither 1 1. Okay, F is 1 1 and onto. So this also deleted. F may be 1 1 and onto. So this also deleted. Which option is correct here? Option B is correct. Once you check onto also. Okay, once you check onto also. So for onto, here codomain of codomain. What's the codomain here? Codomain of F is R. Okay. Codomain of F is R. Real number. Codomain of F is real number. What is the range here? Range of F is closed interval 0 to infinity. Okay, closed interval of 0 to infinity because here x to the power of 4 is there. So all values we get in positive only. Okay, number is starts from 0. So 0 to 8. So therefore, F is not onto. Okay, F is not onto. Clear? Next question. So here, this question also is there from 2017. F of x is equals to 8 into x to the power of 3. G of x is equals to x to the power of 1 by 3. Then f of g of x is in here. This is question from 2017. f of x is equals to 8x to the power of 3. G of x is equals to x to the power of 1 by 3. So f of g of x is equals to f of g of x is equals to, okay, this is also written as f of g of x. So f of g of x means x to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, g of x means x to the power of 1 by 3. And now this consider as f of x. Okay, this consider as f of x. So this f of x value is 8x cube. Okay, 8x cube. 8 into, in the place of x substitute x to the power of 1 by 3. So x to the power of 1 by 3 whole cube. Okay, so 8 into, here 3 cancel, what is remaining? 8x. Okay, 8x is remaining. So answer is 8x. So this question is from 2017. Clear? Yes. Dear students, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Okay, remaining questions discussed in next class. Okay, thank you for watching.